Hey folks, meet your makers. There we go. I got it out. Well, it's been a week since our dead meat birds arrived, and this morning we got our replacement birds in. So I'm going to take a walk over to the barn, and we'll see what we can see. It's going to get dark here for a second. Alrighty. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. All right, I'm going to turn you around here, and we'll see what they're up to. These are the chicks that we just got today. Just came in this morning. Let me turn this light off. Well, let me turn this light off. There. Okay. These are a week old. These are the birds that we got a week ago. They're 1 week old now. And the replacements came in today, and here are the replacements. We have 15 and one surprise. You see the surprise. I have no idea what kind it is, but it's the dark one in there. So we're all doing real good. We can also go for a walk, and we'll do an update on the turkeys and see how the chickens are doing. So let's take another walk. Here we go. Another beautiful day in the neighborhood. Here we go. I hear a plane. I hear a plane. I don't see it, but I hear it. Beautiful out here, isn't it? It's Thursday morning. 8:30 in the morning. Hello, ladies. Here comes the girls. Hello, ladies. Hello, ladies. Hello, ladies. They're not real happy with me because I've been closing their coop during the day, so they'll use the nesting boxes instead of laying their eggs inside the coop. So they're not real happy with me right now. All right, let's continue our walk. All right. Don't mind my burn pile here. We're still cleaning up, constantly cleaning up. But let's see how our turkeys are doing. Now let's see, our turkeys should be, almost this coming weekend they'll be 4 weeks old. Gosh, you'll see a big difference in them. I'm going to stop right here and zoom in for a second from here. See what you can see. Oh, I can't walk with it. It'll be too jerky. But there's our turkeys. I'll walk over there. Let me zoom back out. All right, let's go. Let's go check them out. There, right there is about right, I guess. Hello, ladies. Ladies. Hello, turkeys. I have no idea. They're starting to show. You can see in some instances the toms are starting to look more like Tom's. Check out. Yep, doing good. 4 weeks. Look at them. Look how big they are. Look how big they're getting. Yep. Alrighty. They're doing good, aren't they? Yeah. Okay, let's take a break here and I'll be back in just a second. Yeah, I lost it. Alright, folks, we're back. We're going to take a walk now over to the chicken coop. We're still standing here next to the turkeys. But, this is our pen, the electric fence that we've got set up for our turkeys right now. But our fence is actually going to go right down this line right here. You can see all the posts we put in the ground here, and it's going to be a pretty good size area. Anyways, let's continue on. Oh gosh, beautiful day today. Sounds like one of our chickens may have laid her egg today. I thought I heard her doing the chicken song here, or the egg laying song. Sometimes can get pretty noisy. Let's listen. Hello, ladies. Hello, ladies. Hello, ladies. How we doing this morning? Huh? How we doing this morning? Huh? You want me to get you some scratch? All right. Let's walk over and get some scratch. All right, let's see what we can come up with here. All right, let's do this. All right, folks. Hey, it's me. I'm gonna get my girls some scratch, and this is what we do here. There we go. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. They're doing good. All right, folks. I'm gonna let you go now. It's nice spending some time with you. I hope you enjoy my videos. If you like this, give me the thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.